Good afternoon. With lambing on many people's minds, the weather news is not good for this week, with wind chill being a significant factor. Already you'll have noticed it today, with temperatures even in double figures not feeling that good. Very strong winds, particularly up in Scotland and Northern Ireland. There have been gusts over 50 miles an hour as far south as Norfolk. Up in the Cairngorms, well, it's ridiculous, it's 140, but more generally 70 to 80 over Scotland, Northern Ireland and also the extreme north of England. Bad enough, in fact, for a warning for today and again after a lull tonight. Tomorrow, with structural damage certainly possible, and snow showers in the mountains of Scotland, meaning blizzards are also quite likely. So for the next few days then, here is the summary to start off with. It will be windy until about Thursday. It'll turn colder, but I think the strength of the wind will keep away most frost, and the weather generally will be showery with a strong wind from the west or from the northwest. For the rest of today, a fine end to the day for most of England, Wales, and I would think parts of Scotland as well, with the showers becoming confined to northern Scotland as the next area of cloud moves up with this warm front for the night period. So overnight then we see a bit of a lull in the winds, but rain or drizzle will cross the whole country, possibly some heavier bursts further north. Temperatures above zero in most places because of the strength of the wind and of course the cloud. Now into Monday. Tight isobars, this front's got to return south again, so taking a band of rain with it. So although it'll be a fine-ish start for much of England and Wales, this rain will steadily push in towards the southeast, followed once again by showers, and again many of them will be wintry, particularly over the mountains. It will be, once again, I've already mentioned it, a very windy day, and despite 13 degrees in the mildish south, it's not going to feel particularly warm. Wind chill once again. Now on to Tuesday, and the front should be out of the way, but it'll hang around the south coast. We've still got tight isobars, it's still going to be a windy day. Start off maybe rather dull in the southern counties of England, that should brighten up, and then it's to the showery regime, with the winds basically west-northwest. It'll be the north and the west of the whole country that sees the heaviest and the most frequent showers, but not exclusively in that area. Still fairly windy, temperatures dropping a few degrees. Wednesday and Thursday, very similar charts, but pressure is starting to build on Thursday, therefore the winds will die down. Both days fairly showery days, again the majority in the west and the north, particularly in Scotland. Still here they'll be wintry. A few will get through the topographical gaps into Lincolnshire, into Norfolk, down to the south coast, but they will be few and far between. And with the strength of winds and 6s and 7s, roughly normal temperatures, it is still going to feel cold. You still will have that wind chill. Thursday, with the pressure building, we'll see a decrease in the winds absolutely everywhere to a certain extent, and showers will also tend to die out, except once again in the extreme north of Britain. Friday sees a return to frontal systems coming in from the Atlantic, but again tight isobars, the winds build up once more. So a belt of rain then to push down across the whole country, to be followed once again by showers. To sum up then, a windy week, a colder week, and basically a showery week.